Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I'm going to talk about another recruitment announced for IT specialist. This is announced by Union Bank. This is for assistant manager IT post. So let's look at the recruitment details. You can download this notification PDF from the description below. For assistant manager IT post, it is JMGS scale 1 and there are 250 vacancies. A lot of vacancies, a large number of vacancies, especially for the assistant manager and in the IT profile. Coming to the important dates, you can fill the online application form from 30th of April till 20th of May. Now let's have a look at the eligibility criteria. Your age should be between 22 and 30 for assistant manager IT. In the education qualification, you can have full-time BE, BTech, MCA, MSc IT, MS, MTech, 5-year integrated MTech degree in computer science engineering, IT, electronics and computer science, electronics and telecommunication, data science, machine learning and AI, cybersecurity from any recognized university or institution. Desirable certifications are present. You may possess any of these certifications, and there is also 1 year post-qualification experience in the IT domain mandatory in the eligibility. Minimum 1 year post-qualification experience is required in any of these fields: cloud operations, DevSecOps, Kubernetes, networking, data analytics, data engineering, cybersecurity, software development, scripting, Gen AI, machine learning, operating system administration, database administration, data center operations, API development and maintenance. The cutoff date for eligibility for age criteria is 1st of April 2025, and for education qualification, the cutoff date is last date of online registration, that is 20th of May 2025. So while you should have the age eligibility by 1st of April, the education qualification eligibility and the experience eligibility is till 20th of May 2025. Please note, only full-time experience as a permanent full-time employee where employee-employer relationship exists will be considered. You have to provide work experience certificate. Only the appointment letter, salary certificates, pay slips will not be accepted. Then coming to the selection process. The selection process may comprise of online examination, group discussion if conducted, screening of applications, and then personal interview depending on the number of applicants or eligible candidates. The online written examination will consist of following subjects. Part 1 will have QRE, Quant Reasoning English, 25 questions each of 25 marks to be attempted in 75 minutes. A consolidated time of 75 minutes is given for QRE. And Part 2, Professional Knowledge relevant to the post. Here you will have 75 questions of 150 marks. So IT holds more weightage to be attempted in 75 minutes. The syllabus most likely will be similar to IBP's SOIT. So you can keep that as base and start your preparation accordingly for the IT streams. There is a penalty for wrong answers. There is 1/4 or 25% negative marking present. Then coming to group discussion, the maximum marks for group discussion will be 50 and qualifying marks will be 25 and 22.5 depending upon your category. After that, there is interview. Merit list of candidates based on marks obtained by them in online examination will be created. Shortlisting will be done for interview. A personal interview will again be of 50 marks and can be conducted to assess the academic, job knowledge, power of expression, clarity of thought, qualities of leadership, etc. The qualifying marks for personal interview will be 25 and 22.5 based on your category. The final selection will be based on online examination and personal interview or group discussion depending upon what is conducted. So these are all the important details. We'll soon try to come forward with expected syllabus, previous year questions if we are able to find any. If you have any queries with respect to this recruitment, you can write them down in the comment below, or you can also fill the Google form that is attached in the description and let us know. We'll try to answer all your queries. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.